Okay. Bonjour.
Bonjour, sir. Bonjour, sir. Bonjour, sir. Bonjour, sir.
Okay. For new
Bonjour, sir.
for new students, uh, bonjour is a way how to greet each other. Okay. When we greet each other, we use the word bonjour. Shabgun is saying something. Yes, beta.
Bonjour, sir.
Bonjour. Okay, good. Okay, let me teach Nihal also if he is available. Nihal,
Yes, sir.
bonjour.
Bonjour, sir.
Yes. Okay. So bonjour is the way to greet, all right, in French when we meet. It's like good morning, hello, okay, good day. Okay. Even for good afternoon also we use this bonjour word. Okay. Now today the topic is very different. We are not going to do anything from our syllabus, and we are doing something different. That is, for few it will be a kind of revision, for few it might be a new thing. All right, so any guesses what are we going to do? How many of you remember présentez-vous? Just thumbs up properly. Then Sabgun remembers. Okay. Aujourd'hui, nous allons commencer. Okay, aujourd'hui, today we are going to start. Nous allons commencer. Présentez-vous. Oui, présentez-vous. How many of you remember présentez-vous? Just thumbs up, everyone. Digitally, I want to see your thumbs up. Tanmay remember. Sabgun remember. Okay. Okay. Two only. Gaurav Pal remember. Very nice. Only three are there. Those who remember présentez-vous. Okay. So I'll just start sharing my screen and on va commencer avec les présentez-vous.
P-R-O-S-P-R-E-S.
Okay. Attends, just wait. It's opening. Okay. Présentez-vous. Oui, présentez-vous. Okay. How do we introduce ourselves? So the first thing that we are going to start with, my name. Like, my name is Je m'appelle Mahendra Vikram Shah. Okay. And you will write your name. Don't write my name. You write your name. Je m'appelle. Okay. You will not, you will write your name where I have written my name. Oui. Je m'appelle. And even when when I'm doing this, you also try to repeat after me. Okay. Try to repeat from your end, so that like whenever we'll take your oral exam, it will be helpful for you. Okay. Je m'appelle. Okay, someone is raising the hand. I get Nihal wanted to say something. Yes, Nihal, you want to say
Sir,
something?
sir, that time I was not knowing that what is meaning of present tables. So
Hmm.
now I got.
Very
So now I
good.
got the meaning of that.
Okay, bache. So présentez vous is basically when we introduce yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, you just ask me. Okay. You can raise your hand. You can ask me anytime. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, yes, Mr. Raja. Sorry, Rayad.
Sir, by mistake it is done.
Okay. And I want to see your video. Okay. La première phrase, the first sentence. Okay. La première phrase, je m'appelle and your name. All right. It's quite easy. Je m'appelle and your name. Now, second is let's do our profession. Like I'm a teacher, I'll say je suis prof. Okay, je suis professor. But you will say je suis étudiant for masculine, je suis étudiant for feminine. I'll mention in the bracket masculine and feminine. Okay, first I'm doing the masculine one for the boys one. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant masculine et je suis étudiante for the girls. You all have to write this. Okay, don't just see. Please start writing. Je suis étudiante. Gurleen, start writing. Je suis étudiante for the feminine. Okay, just you need to add an e at the end. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiante. That is, I'm student. I'm a student. All right. In French, we don't put the article. In English, we put the article. I'm a student, but in French, we don't put the article. Okay. Je suis étudiant. Once you just repeat after me, everyone. Okay. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. And you will repeat you will do your name. Okay. Like je m'appelle Mahendra. Je m'appelle Gurleen. Je m'appelle Savgun. Je m'appelle Nihal. Je m'appelle Tanmay. It will be like this. All right. So just repeat. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Okay. Now the second one. When we talk about our profession. Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant. Okay. Masculin. Je suis étudiant. For the boys. And for the girls. Je suis étudiante. Okay. Boys are saying étudiant and girls are saying étudiante. Okay. Boys are pronouncing till IAN and T is silent. But girls are pronouncing till T. So je suis étudiant and je suis étudiante. All right. Okay. Now let's talk about our nationality. Okay. For feminine, for the girls, we will use je suis indien, indien, je suis indien, feminine. And for boys, we just need to remove je suis indien. Simple. NE will be removed. Okay. Masculine. All right. Je suis indien. Girls, just start repeating after me. Je suis indien. Je suis indien. And now boys will repeat. Je suis indien. Je suis indien. Okay. Now, when we have to tell where I live, all right? Suppose you can you write the city name according to your convenient where you live. I'll be writing for all like J'habite those who are living in Rudrapur, they can write Rudrapur. Those who are living in Kitcha, they can write Kitcha. Those who are living in Pantnagar, they can write Pantnagar. Pantnagar. Or if any other city you live in, so you can just mention that Haldwani. There might be a student from Haldwani, so you can just write Haldwani. All right. So when I'll say Rudrapur, you can take your city name. All right. J'habite à Rudrapur. Just repeat. Repeat après moi. Repeat after me. J'habite à Rudrapur. J'habite à Rudrapur. J'habite à Rudrapur. J'habite à Rudrapur. And you know, we can also say, I love my family. You know, in presentez-vous, we can also say, I love my family. If anyone have any doubt, if you want to speak, you need to raise your hands. All right. Okay. J'habite à Rudrapur, we have done. If we have to say, I love my family, then j'aime ma famille. Okay. J'aime ma famille. Say j'aime. Repeat. J'aime ma famille. J'aime ma famille. J'aime ma famille. I hope everyone is writing. I'll just see after this. Okay. After this, sixth one also we are doing. When we have to tell our age, just type in the chat box what age you want basically, so that I'll work accordingly. Though you know the numbers, but there are right now few more new students. Okay. So you can write your age, which will be easy for me. Okay, 12, 13, 14. Okay, almost everyone is around 12, 13, 14. Okay. So I'm starting with 11. All right. They owns. Those is 12. 13 is 13. And 14 is 14. Okay, ANS is on, that is air. All right. So you just repeat this after me. First, I'm doing it for 11-year-old. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. Those who are 11 years old, just repeat after me. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. Okay. Now another one. J'ai 12 ans. Those who are 12 years old, repeat after me. J'ai 12 ans. J'ai 12 ans. And those who are 13-year-old, j'ai 13 ans. J'ai 13 ans. And those who are 14-year-old, j'ai 14 ans. J'ai 14 ans. Once again, I'll repeat, okay? J'ai 11 ans. 11-year-olds. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans. 12-year-old. J'ai 12 ans. J'ai 12 ans. 13-year-old. J'ai 13 ans. J'ai 13 ans. 14-year-old. J'ai 14 ans. J'ai 14 ans. Okay. Once again, let's repeat. Okay. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. For boys, je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant. For girls, je suis étudiante. Je suis étudiante. Again for girls, je suis indienne. Je suis indienne. For boys, je suis indien. Je suis indien. For all, j'habite à Kitcha. J'habite à Kitcha. Or j'habite à Rudrapur. Okay, fifth one. J'aime ma famille. J'aime ma famille. And the sixth one, j'ai 11 ans. J'ai 11 ans for the 11-year-old. J'ai 11 ans. J'ai 12 ans, 12-year-old. J'ai 12 ans. J'ai 13 ans, 13-year-old. J'ai 13 ans. J'ai 14 ans, 14-year-old. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now I'll ask one by one. Okay. First I have Shubh Mishra. Yes, Shubh. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
Yes, beta. Start.
Je m'appelle Shubh Mishra. Je suis étudiant. Je suis indien.
Andien.
Habite
Wait, bacha. Je suis indien. Okay, indien. हाँ.
Je habite à Haldwani.
अच्छा, wait. जाबीत, इसको एक साथ बोलना मैं. जाबीत, H is silent, so जाबीत. Okay, जा हो जाएगा वो. जाबीत. Yes. Yes.
Jabit à Haldwani.
Yes.
J'aime ma famille.
Okay, wait. J'aime ma famille. J'aime, ये
J'aime
भी
ma famille.
जहां पर आपको ये दिखता है, ये होता है ना, एपिस्ट्रॉफ लगा होता है, तो वो पूरा एक ही प्रोनाउंस होता है. ठीक है, दैट इज प्रोनाउंस्ड टुगेदर. ओके.
J'aime ma famille.
Yes.
J'ai 13.
Okay. J'ai 13 ans.
J'ai 13 ans.
Okay, good. After Shubh, Krishna is there. Krishna, can you hear me? Beta, don't raise your hands. I'll ask one by one. Okay, Adya is there. Yes, Adya.
Sir, may I start?
Yes, beta.
Je m'appelle Adya Srivastava. Je suis étudiante. J. Tresans. J'aime pizza. J'aime chocolat. Je suis Indian. J'habite à Rudrapur. J'aime ma family.
Very
Family.
good. Very good. Okay. And those who wish to leave after this, they can leave. Okay, those who have done. Arman. Yes, Arman. Yes, Arman.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, start.
Je m'appelle Arman Madan. Je suis étudiant.
Wait.
Je suis Indian.
Je suis, wait, je suis.
Je suis.
हाँ, je suis étudiant.
Je suis Indian.
Indien.
J'habite Kitcha.
J'habite.
J'aime ma famille.
J'aime ma famille.
J'ai 3 ans.
J'ai 13 ans. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Those whose turn will be done, you can mute yourself. After Arman, Ayush. Yes, Ayush. Can you hear me? Okay, he's not here now. Bhavya, can you hear me? Bhavya. Bhavya, can you hear me? Now? Yes, beta, start.
Je m'appelle Bhavya.
Hmm.
Je suis étudiante indienne. Ita Pannagar. J'aime.
J बोलो बेटा उसको. J. What you want to say? Which one is? 14. 13 ans. J'ai 13 ans. Yes, j'ai 13 ans. Okay. Just mute yourself, huh? After this. Dikshant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, start.
Yes. Je m'appelle Dikshant Arora. Je suis étudiant. Je suis indien.
Indien.
J'habite à Lalpur.
Yes.
India.
Okay.
J'habite à Lalpur.
Yeah.
Ma famille.
J'aime ma famille. Bolo j'aime ma famille.
J'aime ma famille.
Yes.
J'ai 3 ans.
Yes. Okay.
So now I can leave.
Yes, beta. Gurleen. Gurleen, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Beta, start.
Je m'appelle Gurleen Kaur. Je suis Ivanchi. Je suis Imimi. J'habite à Udaipur. J'ai ma famille. J'ai un bills.
Okay. Je suis étudiante bolo. Je suis étudiante.
Je suis étudiante.
Je suis indienne.
Je suis indienne.
Okay. Good. Yes, Tanmay. Yes, Tanmay. Yes.
J'habite Rudrapur. J'aime ma famille. J'ai 13 ans.
Okay. Okay.
J'ai 13 ans. J'ai 13 ans.
Good. Sabgun, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, बच्चे, start.
जय मैप पे सबगुण और
अच्छा, वेट सुनो.
Yes.
वेट बच्चे. Je m'appelle बोलो. Je m'appelle.
Jama Pel,
Yes.
Sabgun Kaur,
Good.
JS Student,
Je suis étudiante.
Je suis étudiante,
Yes.
Je suis Indian,
Very good.
Just habit a किच्छा
Very good. Jabit. Jabit बोलो एक बार अच्छे से. Jabit. Jabit बोलो. Jabit.
Zabit,
Yes.
Zabit,
Yes.
Zabit,
Yes. अब पूरा बोलो.
Zabit a किच्छा,
Good.
Zabit a किच्छा,
Yes. Next.
JM,
Hmm.
JM,
Hmm.
my family,
Ma fami. Yes. And
JI, JI,
hmm.
ONZ,
Owns.
JI 11,
Owns. Owns.
Jeons,
Yes.
Ans,
On.
Jeons,
On. Very good.
Jeons,
Okay. We will practice this again. Okay. Next time. Sabgun. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
After Sabgun, we have Tejas. Yes, Tejas.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, start.
Je m'appelle Tejas Yadav.
Hmm.
Je m'appelle Tejas Yadav.
Yes, yes, go
Je
ahead.
suis étudiant.
Hmm.
Je suis
Je suis.
indien.
Hmm.
Je suis indien.
Hmm.
J'habite à Rudrapur.
Hmm.
J'ai ma famille.
Hmm.
J'ai 13 ans.
J'ai 13 ans.
J'ai 13 ans.
Okay. Kartike. Kartike. Yes, beta, start.
Jambal Kartike Purvar,
Hmm.
Jasu Etudian, Jasu Indian,
Hmm.
Jabite Rudrapur,
Hmm.
Jame ma family, Jai Duz.
J'ai 12 ans. Okay. Good.
Jai Duz.
Yes. Lavanya. Lavanya, can you hear me? Okay, she's not here. Sanchita. Sanchita, just unmute. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, start.
Je m'appelle Sanchita Tiwari.
Hmm.
Je suis étudiante.
Hmm.
Je suis indienne.
Hmm.
j'habite à Lalpur.
Hmm.
J'ai ma famille.
Hmm.
J'ai 12 ans.
Good. Shifat. Shifat, can you hear me? Shubh Narang.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, bache. Yes, beta, start. Hmm?
Sir, can you show a screen
Oh,
one
sorry.
time?
Yes, yes. By mistake, I have.
Sir, can you?
Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Wait, wait. Yes, beta. Start.
Je m'appelle Shubh Narang.
Je m'appelle, bolo. Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle Shubh Narang.
Yes.
Je suis étudiant masculine.
No, don't say masculine. It's just for your reference. Je suis étudiant khali. Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Yes, beta.
Je suis India.
India. Yes.
Je suis India.
Yes.
J'ai habité à Rudrapur.
Good. Jabit. Jabit bolo usko. Jabit à Rudrapur.
J'habite Rudrapur.
Good.
J'ai aimé ma famille.
Very good. J'aime ma famille.
J'ai
Hmm.
13
Good.
aunts.
वेरी गुड। जे थ्रेजों, एक बार बोलो उसको पूरा ढंग से। जे थ्रेजों।
जे थ्रेजों
यस। नहीं, जस्ट जे
Sir,
थ्रेजों।
I want to.
हाँ हाँ बेटा बोलो।
Sir, I want to ask a thing. Sir,
Yes.
can you tell the book name again?
Onyva, ONYVA.
Sir, I'm writing.
Okay, ONYVA. Don't go right now. Let everything will be fine. Then you can buy. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let
Thank you,
everything
sir.
be fine. Then you can buy. No need to buy right. Don't need to go outside right now. Okay, stay home. All right. After Shubh, Lavanya, Rayad, Shikhar is there, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta, start.
Okay, sir.
Start.
Jamapel Rayat Khan, Jesu Ethiopian, Jesu India,
Jasui,
Je Habite,
Jasui. Say Jasui.
Jesui
हाँ.
Ethiopian, Jesui Indian,
Andiya.
Je India Rudrapur,
Jabit Rudrapur.
Javita Rudrapur,
Yeah.
Je Emma family,
Yes.
Je A those ons.
Yes. Shifat, you are there? Shifat, you are there?
family,
Shifat, can you hear me? Okay. Now I guess I'll end up with the class because my 10th class is there now. I have a period in class 10th. All right.